Well, there are not many things out there that can match the elegance of a natural stone patio or walkway. And whether it's Rundle stone, that charcoal looking product, slate that gives you that, again, great looking patio, or something like this flagstone in front of me, which is actually a poured paver, you have a couple options. But what are the advantages and disadvantages of each? Obviously, we can't perfectly match the look that natural stone's gonna bring. But the advantage of a paver like this is the consistency in the product. Every single piece is 60 millimeters thick. So from an installation perspective as a landscaper, it makes it that much easier, because when I prepare that road crush base and have that bedding sand perfectly screeded and level, adding these perfect pavers on top is that much easier. Again, natural stone brings you a different look, but the ease of installation and the decades you can get out of these pavers is something you should definitely consider. We'll see you next time.